Leon?
Sorry I'm late.
No. Thank you. You brought the medicine just in time.
Can you stand?
Where's Luis?
He was worried about you. Till the end. Come on. We don't have much time. Let's get rid of these things.
For Luis.
Ada, come in. There's a lab where we can remove the parasites. Had a crazy hunch that you'd know where it is.
Their most important facilities are housed in their sanctuary at the top of the mountain. That's where I'd look.
Huh. Ada the encyclopedia.
Happy to help. Now you owe me.
Could you give me a boost?
Be careful.
Pretty much a master of unlocking.
I've got some new items in stock. Come take a look. Oh, welcome. Got some rare things on sale. Better to be over-prepared, am I right? Stocking up while you can. Wise choice. Ah, I'll buy it at a high price. Good as new. Crossing your T's, dotting your I's. That's the way. Well, got a selection of good things on sale, Strange. Come back anytime.
You all right?
Yeah, no big deal.
Be careful.
¡Les he encontrado!
Ashley! Anytime. Here, hold this down.
Got it.
Damn it!
Put me down! Over here!
Out of the way. Twisted son of a bitch. There you go. Not bad, right? Smells pretty bad. You okay?
Yeah. Before this would have killed me, though.
Next. We go at the same time, yeah?
Got it. Yeah!
Spread out.
Hey.
Come on.
Okay.
Hide.
Hey.
What the fuck? You stubborn son of a bitch. Jesus. Cuddly bastard.
You're not hurt, are you?
No, I'm good.
One more time.
Ashley.
Got it. Okay.
Get this for me.
Leave it to me. I'm actually pretty good at this stuff.
right. Ashley, are you all right?
Yeah, thanks.
Ashley, damn it!
Get off me!
Ashley!
Get real!
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hello, stranger. Welcome. Well then, what can I do? Well, I can certainly... Get welcome. Ah, pleasant travel.
Skills?
A wrecking ball.
I got this.
You're serious?
Is this what they teach kids in school these days?
Have you never heard of driver's ed? Get back. Leon!
Leave our friends to me.
Present for you. There you go.
¡Se acabó! ¡Caos esto! ¡Detenedlos!
Must have slipped. Next.
Did you see me? That was awesome!
I think you might have found your calling.
You know, I was thinking, we work well together, don't we?
I guess so.
Right? Maybe someday I'll become an agent like you. What do you think? We could protect the US from any and all threats.
Is that right? Well, either way. First, we have to get out of here.
You're no fun.
This must be what Luis was talking about.
Prostrate yourself. This is our holy body. Our divine providence ensued. Such a profound blessing for all. Lost blood. Welcome, my children. I am Osmond Saddler, the speaker for our Lord.
Tell someone who gives a shit.
Foolish lambs, why do you deny grace? Now, abandon your body. Obey. Obey the voice of our Lord. Sweet child, do not resist. Pray forgive these wicked sinners. My faithful disciples shall deliver to you your penance. Now, child, you need not be afraid. Submit your body and release yourself from fear. ¡Atraparemos! ¡Te cogí! ¿A dónde crees que vas?
You've done well to make it this far, rookie. I've prepared a battlefield up ahead, just for us. Soldiers. Watered by the blood of generations, hundreds of years. It's the purpose.
Welcome. Ooh, what you buying? Where you gonna put this? Your pocket? No. Welcome. Let us know when you've made some... Not my place to say, really, but sometimes pleasant travels.
I've been waiting for you, rookie. Oh, worried about the girl, is that it? That's just like you. You always had poor judgment. But if you think I'm gonna let you out of here alive, you're even more naive than I thought. You can't save her. You can't save anyone.
Give it up, Krauser! Being a lackey for these maniacs won't bring your men back. And what the hell for? Revenge on the government? You think they would want that?
Revenge. You think I'm doing all this for revenge?
Isn't that what this is all about?
See, in that jungle, I had a revelation. The most important thing in this world is pure, unadulterated power. Those Illuminados have given me that.
You know, you were always an asshole. But at least you had some kind of code. Some honor. And look at you now.
Enough reminiscing. Move out and draw fire, soldier! Better run, rookie! What's wrong? Sodoma! You better hustle. Who knows what's become of the girl? Remember the fight in the jungle? We barely made it out alive.
Go with your gut, don't think. That was the first thing you taught me.
Ready to die, rookie. I'm no stranger to covert tactics, remember?
How can I forget?
Shit. I love a gun! Still alive, huh? You got lucky.
dead if I kept listening to people like you.
I don't know. Guess I'll ask when I see him.
Well, you've really gone all out for me. You shouldn't have.
Anything to make the pretty boy feel special. This is it, soldier!
Are we done here, Krauser?
I told you. Again. And again. You're too soft to do what's necessary. That's the difference between you and me, Loki. Time to finish your training.
Witness the power!
You've lost it completely, Krauser.
Here I come!
So that's your true power? Oh, I'd ask for a refund.
Regret that smart mouth of yours. You're not getting away! I can't wait to see you ride!
Oh, shit!
Training's not done. Last lesson starts right now.
Nah. Time for the teacher to be taught.
Oh, such confidence. Bring it, rookie!
Are you ready?
Do what you have to do. That's right. I trained you well. Leon.
That you did, Major. That you did.
Huh.